Hello student, today we will discuss the next topic, that is applications of partial differentiation. We know that the definition of partial differentiation, also the examples on the partial differentiation. Okay, today we will discuss the next topic, that is applications of partial differentiation. Okay, so definition first part is Jacobian. First Jacobians, we will discuss the definition of Jacobians. Okay, definition, if u comma v are the functions of, if u comma v are functions of independent variable x and y, functions of independent variables x and y, that is u is a function of x comma y and v is also function of x comma y. Okay, u is function of x and y, also v is function of x and y. Then the Jacobian, capital J is defined as now look on the board. Jacobians, if u and v, there are two dependent variables, this u and v are dependent. If u and v are functions of two independent variables x and y, here x and y are independent variables, उसका meaning क्या है? We have to find the derivative of u with respect to x also and with respect to y also. Then same we have to find derivative of v with respect to x and y also. Okay, if u and v are functions of the independent variables x and y, that is u is function of xy, also v is function of xy, then the Jacobian G is defined as capital J is defined as J is equal to, this is called Jacobian of dou u comma v with respect to the independent variables x comma y. Okay, u and v are functions of x comma y, therefore we have to write here dou uv upon dou xy. Okay, because x and y are, these two are independent variables, is equal to in determinant u का differentiation with respect to x, that is dou u by dou x, then u का differentiation with respect to y, dou u by dou y. Okay, then same v का differentiation with respect to x in second row, dou v by dou x, then v का differentiation with respect to y, dou v by dou y, okay, dou v by dou y. These are the formula of finding value of j, that is Jacobian. Okay, or this can be written as u का differentiation with respect to x, that is ux, uy, vx and vy. Okay, now find value of the determinant. This is your j. Okay, this is your j. Now suppose u and v are the functions of x comma y. At that time you have to write this process, or suppose remark, I will write remark first. Remark opposite to this, that is if x comma y are functions of functions of u comma v, then if x is function of ev and y is function of ev, then we have to write, then we have to define the Jacobian j dash is equal to Jacobian j dash is equal to उसका रिवर्स क्या हो जाएगा, उसका रिवर्स डो एक्स वाई विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू डो यू वी, ओके, उसका रिवर्स दैट इज क्या जाएगा, डो एक्स अपॉन डो यू, देन डो एक्स अपॉन डो वी, और हाँ डो एक्स अपॉन डो यू, this dou y upon dou v. Okay, this is also the Jacobian. Okay, this is also the Jacobian. X का differentiation with respect to u, x differentiation with respect to v, this is your first row. Then y का derivative with respect to u and y का derivative with respect to v. Okay, or this is xu, xv, yu or yv. Okay, and this is called the j dash. This is called j dash. Okay, this is your remark first. Now second remark two. This j into j dash is always 1. j into j dash, उसकी वैल्यू क्या थी, always 1. Value of this j into j dash is always 1. Okay, the value of j into j dash is 1, or j dash into j, this value is also 1. Remark third, if UVW for more than two functions, if UVW are functions of x, y, z, then क्या जाएगा, जैकोबियन j is equal to dou UVW with respect to dou x, y, z, क्या जाएगा वो, दिस इज फर्स्ट रो, u का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, u का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y एंड u का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू z, दैट इज dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Okay, then second row, phi का डेरिवेटिव dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z, and third w का डिफरेंशिएशन dou w upon dou x, dou w upon dou y, dou w upon dou z. This is your value of j. Okay, similarly we have to find the value of j dash. Okay, uska reverse value of j dash, just like this. Okay, so these are the basic concept from the topic Jacobians. Okay, now we will find or we will solve the examples on the Jacobian. Okay, examples on the Jacobian. Okay, this is definition, then the examples. First, if u is equal to x square minus y square and v is equal to 2xy, then calculate dou uv with respect to dou xy. Okay, we have to find value of this, that is value of j. Okay, here in answer here u is equal to x square minus y square and v is equal to 2xy, correct. Here u comma v are functions of x, y, z, correct. here u is u comma v are functions of x comma y. Okay, therefore j is equal to Jacobian dou uv divided by dou xy is equal to क्या जाएगा फार्मूला, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. Okay, suppose this is your equation star. This is your equation star. Now find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, also dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. Find all these values, put equation star. Therefore dou u by dou x क्या जाएगा, u का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, दिस इज 2x. dou u by dou y क्या जाएगा, u का डिफरेंशिएशन y minus 2y. Also we have to find v का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, dou v by dou x क्या जाएगा 2y एंड v का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x क्या जाएगा 2, हाँ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y क्या जाएगा 2x. करेक्ट. नाउ पुट ऑल दिस वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन स्टार. इक्वेशन स्टार बिकम्स we get j is equal to value of dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is 2x. Also this is minus 2y. Okay, write all these values. Okay, then the value of dou u by this is 2y, this is 2x. करेक्ट. तो क्या मिलेगा, दिस इज 4 इंटू दिस. ओके, डिटर्मिनेंट क्या जाएगा 4x स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस प्लस 4y स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज 4 in bracket x square plus y square. Okay, this is your answer. This is your answer. We get the value of Jacobian dou uv upon dou xy. Okay, this is your value of j. और सपोज वी हैव टू फाइंड j डैश, उसका रिवर्स. तो हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट x एंड y आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ u, v, देन वी हैव टू फाइंड j डैश. ओके, this is your example first on the topic Jacobian. Okay, now second example second, if u is equal to x in bracket 1 minus y and v is equal to xy, then find dou x comma y, also dou u comma v, also find dou uv upon dou xy, also find the value of dou xy divided by dou uv into dou uv divided by dou xy. Okay, तो देखो we have to find j, then we have to find j dash, also we have to find the value of j into j dash. Okay, now here given that here u is u is function of x comma y, correct? U is function of x comma y. Also v is function of x comma y. Here u is x in bracket 1 minus y and v is x comma y. That is u is u and v, I will write just like this, u and v are functions of x comma y, x comma y. Okay, therefore we have to find dou uv with respect to dou xy. We get the second, correct? Dou uv with respect to dou xy, correct? Therefore j is equal to dou uv dou xy is equal to dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, then dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. Now put all these values, डिफरेंशिएट u with respect to x, तो क्या जाएगा 1 minus y. Okay, then differentiate v with respect to differentiate this u with respect to y, तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा -1 into x, this is minus x. Okay, then differentiate v with respect to x, तो क्या जाएगा y, and differentiate v with respect to y, तो क्या जाएगा x, correct? Now solve this, we get x in bracket 1 minus y minus plus xy, correct? But x in bracket 1 minus y, this is your value of u, plus xy, this is your value of v. Okay, suppose this is your equation first. We get the Jacobian dou uv with respect to dou xy, that is सेम लिख दिया तो भी चलेगा, नहीं तो यहाँ पे कैंसिल किया तो भी चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, इफ वी सॉल्व दिस इज x minus xy plus xy and this is your x. Okay, if you write x or u plus v, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, दिस इज x और x इज u plus v, अभी जो हमने लिखा था वही x is u plus v, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। सपोज दिस इज योर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट। ओके, नाउ फॉर फाइंडिंग, देखो यहाँ पे हियर u and v are the functions of x and y, correct? Now we have to find reverse of this. At that time, first convert x and y are the functions of u and v. Okay, now first convert x comma y are functions of u comma v. Okay, first convert x and y are the functions of u comma v. Here u is, this implies u is equal to, multiply this in that bracket, क्या जाएगा, x minus xy and v is xy, correct? v is xy, तो क्या जाएगा, u is equal to x minus this xy is v. ओके, तो x क्या मिलेगा, x is equal to u plus v. x is equal to u plus v. Also find value of y. तो from this equation we get y is equal to v by x, but x is value of x u plus v, तो क्या जाएगा, this implies y is v upon u plus v, correct? v upon u plus v. Therefore j dash is equal to dou xy with respect to dou uv, correct? is equal to x का डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू u, dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, then same dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. Okay, use the simple rules and find this derivative and put here. We get x का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u, क्या मिलेगा 1. देन x का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v क्या मिलेगा 1. करेक्ट. देन y का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u, क्या जाएगा 1 by u, जस्ट लाइक 1 by x. 1 by x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या आता है -1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर, तो क्या जाएगा माइनस v अपॉन u प्लस v ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. ओके. ऑल्सो द y का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v आई विल फाइंड हियर dou y by dou v is equal to, by using u by v rule, नहीं तो I will write here directly. okay, सेपरेट फाइंड किया तो भी चलेगा, नहीं फाइंड किया तो भी चलेगा. I will write here directly. This is 1. तो क्या जाएगा u by v rule, use u by v rule. तो v क्या है यहाँ पे u प्लस v, v का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v, दिस इज 1 माइनस उसका डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v क्या जाएगा, दिस इज ऑल्सो 1. करेक्ट. होल डिवाइडेड बाय u plus v bracket square, Now we'll solve this. I will write here. So we get this is j dash is equal to dou x comma y with respect to dou u comma v is equal to, okay, here we get first is 1. Now here minus v upon u plus v bracket square, and here we get this v we get cancel, तो क्या जाएगा u upon u plus v bracket square. correct, u plus v bracket square. Now take 1 upon u plus v bracket square outside. Here 1 upon u plus v bracket square. Here also 1 upon u plus v bracket square. Take outside. क्या बचेगा? This is 1 upon u plus v bracket square in bracket 1 minus v u. Now solve this. This is u minus plus क्या जाएगा u plus v डिवाइड में u plus v ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. ओके. नाउ u plus v अपॉन u plus v, दैट इज कैंसल 1 u plus v, तो क्या मिलेगा, दिस इज 1 अपॉन u plus v और 1 अपॉन u plus v. ओके, u plus v is nothing but x, that is this is 1 by x. okay, this is your equation second. We get the value of j dash. Also we have to find value of this is j into j dash. okay, also j into j dash is equal to the value of j, this is x और u plus v और x कौन सा भी पुट कर दो, सपोज दिस इज x into value of this is 1 by x, क्या जाएगा j into j dash, this is your 1, j into j dash, this is your 1. Okay, just like this we have to solve the value of j into j dash. We get answer is always 1. okay, now this is your second example from the same topic, that is Jacobian. okay, now I will give 2-3 homeworks on this topic. Try to solve this question. So question number 3, if u is, question number 3, example number 3, if u is x y z comma v is x square plus y square plus z square comma w is x plus y plus z, then find dou u v w with respect to dou x y z. okay, here we have to find value of this, that is determinant, correct? So by using the properties of determinant we have to find answer of this. Okay, try to solve by using same method. And example number 4, this is also homework. If ux is equal to yz comma vy is equal to zx and wz is equal to xy, okay, then find dou uvw with respect to dou x y z. Here is same. First convert u is function of x y z, v is convert the function of x y z, also this w is convert function of x y z, then find value of this. Okay, these two are homework for you. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss the next point.